Hello friends. It was really exciting to learn that we are going to have a weekend workshop in the sensation method. In my opinion, I believe it's going to be like a crash course in homeopathy. When I came across this method like 6-7 years back, I was doing pretty well in my practice, practicing the classical homeopathy as it is said, doing my repertory, my materia medica, and I was into 1.5 decades of practice then. So I realized that why do I need to learn another method and why the sensation method? But I remembered the words of my teacher that time. Once they said, if there comes an idea and you feel it's not appropriate, you must first check it out before you reject it. I said, so be it. Let me find out what it is. And that's when I joined the certificate course in advanced homeopathy here at the other song and started learning the sensation method. And when we were going through it, I realized that it was not anything different from classical homeopathy. In fact, it was an extension of classical homeopathy and it would help our practice. So learning something and doing it, which will help us go ahead in our practice, is that wrong? I said, no, let's go ahead and learn it. Now, what I'm going to go through in this series with you is the kingdom differentiation. That's like the first step of the sensation method, learning the 3 different kingdoms. You know, what happens in our practice is when we are doing the repertory and we come to a group of remedies, finally there comes to like 2 or 3 remedies and you go to your materia medica back and forth to realize which one you're going to give your patient. That's the time when kingdoms come into the picture and help us differentiate that remedy which will be the simillimum for the patient. It was like a wow moment for me. I used it a lot in my practice and I got very good results. We realized here that each patient actually reacts to a situation differently depending upon the pattern that they are having. So a patient requiring a remedy from the plant kingdom can react to the situation as if it's of great sensitivity and they need to react to it. Like pulsatilla and staph aureus, extremely sensitive remedies. While the core issue of the mineral kingdom or patients requiring remedies from the mineral kingdom is that of something to do with their capacity, their ability to do something, their performance, or on the other hand, the feeling of losing that capacity or not being able to do certain things. Whereas in the animal kingdom we see there is a kind of a conflict, a competition, a sense of jealousy, a one-upmanship. You know, something like a you against me, something like the stronger against the weaker. And that helps us select the right medicine. Now here in the next couple of months that we are going to go through the whole of the sensation method, my colleagues and me are going to take you through all the 3 different kingdoms that we have learned from Dr. Shankaran. We will be going through the whole of the mineral kingdom, the periodic table, the rows, the columns, the plant kingdoms and their sensitivities, their reactions, the whole of the animal kingdom with their subkingdoms like the mollusks, the mammals, the reptiles, the birds, the arachnids and so on. So we are really excited about this and we would all welcome you in large numbers to come with us in this journey of the sensation method and rightly achieve our main goal. The mission of the physician is to restore the sick to health, to cure as it is termed, as very well penned by Dr. Hahnemann. So you're most welcome to join us. Thank you very much.